Alright, so let's kind of continue. So let's take a look at this level, top of ceiling. And if you look at that, now you get this really funny image here. So let's figure out what is going on. First of all, we're looking at kind of a light gray, which is really an underlay of the first floor. So if you look at here, underlay, think of it as a tracing paper. So let's say you want to trace over some part of the drawing. You're going to use that as quote-unquote an underlay. So in this case, I don't want to see it anymore because I already have my roof. I'm going to turn that off. So I'm going to say underlay none. And then I get this really funny double line here. I'm going to turn off that one. And let's turn on both windows. So what's happening here, guys, is Revit is showing me a view that is very similar to, if I it's kind of showing me a view kind of like this. See that? If I rotate it, right? So have a look. What it's doing is that the view is being cut at kind of at this, roughly about at this level here. Oh, dang it, I can't control that. Sorry. Let's zoom in a little closer. Like that, it's being cut. So let's kind of study what that means. So if I come to this view here, and I go to view range, and this is the TOC view, by the way, it's telling me that my cut plane is 4 feet above my TOC level. Okay, 4 feet above my TOC level. What that means is, here's my TOC level, and it's being cut 4 feet from this line. So 4 feet above, and is using a knife to slice it through, and that's what I'm seeing here. So in order for me to see my complete roof, we want that level to be cut higher, right? So when you come here to this view, go to view range, I think 6 feet would do it. So I'm going to say cut it at 6 foot level and apply, and there you go. Now you see it as a clean thing. Now view range does get a little bit confusing, but for now let's just keep things simple, and that's how you adjust that so that you see this. And on top of that, instead of calling it TOC, let's just call it a roof plan. So I'm going to come back in here and change the text to roof level. Oops.